Hi guys. Well, I'm barely staying right now because my back is just clicked out and I have to wear heavy brace around my waistline. But guess what? Best lesson I ever learned from my mom: do not ever stop moving. She was living for last probably 18 years of her life with back broken in two places, and it took her forever, more than half year, to lay in a hospital with prognosis she will never walk again. And she, as soon as doctor told her that, she looked at doctor and said, "I don't think so." And it took her like 6, 7, 9 months to start just to learn how to walk again. She make back in Ukraine, she make in every medical encyclopedia, because nobody can walk with those diagnoses what she did, but she did it. And best lesson I learned from my mom, it's do not ever stop moving. You have to move through your pain. That's what I'm doing. I put my lipstick on. I will make another video about rules of lipsticks. That's another something else what I want to talk to you about it. And well, I just have to keep moving. And that's what it is. I barely stay, and I'm not gonna walk back and forward because it's very hard for me without my walker, but I will just turn around and I decide to make video what's coming on the channel. Well, it's still coming, okay, it's still coming. I just right now I saw something because I still can sit with my back straight, and I will get a chiropractor help pretty soon. Thanks God I'm on Medicare, but I don't have to pay for it because otherwise I can't afford it, right? And well, here we are. What's coming on the channel? A whole line of clothes behind me, and I will just kind of point it to you. And well, most of it what you see, we starting dyeing our stuff. I have already uploaded 2 videos, such as shopping tips at Walmart, at Target, both of them full of tie-dye stuff and all kind of marble dye stuff. And well, it's very much in style. No, well, like I said, doesn't matter if a girl is stylish, no matter what age it is. That's me, hitting up for 70. Nothing gonna change. Nothing gonna change that girl. No, well, we're gonna dye stuff, and I will teach you how to dye. No, well, most of it is for dyeing stuff. No, well, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. We will use every possible technique to dye: tie dye, marble dye with shampoo, marble dye with shaving cream. We're gonna do rolled up dye. We're gonna do popsicle wooden pieces dye. We're gonna do a lot of stuff. We're gonna do dye with Clorox also, because you know dyes, and we do also natural dyes like avocado dyes. We're gonna start from that. It's beautiful things what coming up from avocado dyes. And well, dark stuff, like you can see a few pieces dark, like this black dress, a little black jacket. We're gonna dye with Clorox, because you know, on dyes you still need to spend money. For those who don't have money to spend, my heart always go by you guys, because I am one of you. No, well, I just have to teach you how to dye with Clorox, and same way, practically same technique you can do with dyes. And Clorox on the dark stuff like this one or this maroon t-shirt, it's not gonna bleach completely. That it's gonna be like a orangey stains on it. And well, we will try see what happened. And we don't just will go dye simple stuff like throw and dye, and like most of people do on YouTube. No, we're gonna do design with dyeing, because I'm too old. Whatever I do here, I waste time on these videos. I want to wear that stuff, and I'm an age when I don't want to wear spirals here on the front of me like a 17 years old will, or 15 or 13 years old will t-shirt with spiral hippie spiral dye here tied up with spiral on the front. I'm not gonna do that. No, well, that's why I'm gonna do something better designs with my dyeing job, and well, that's what I'm gonna show to you how to do it, better design. Subscribe if you not miss it. This is what you will not miss it if you're not subscribed yet. Now, whenever I do, like I plan to do this maroon because it's very fall color for dyeing, I'm not gonna just do a simple one job on one garment. I want to teach you a few things on the same piece. Like on this particular t-shirt, I want to teach you how to get rid of crew neck and make it lady look like neck. No, well, that's another thing to do. And well, fabric we will dye, And like this one t-shirt, love it, but it shrunk and it's got too small. No, well, I'm making separate video how I extend it, how to extend something, different ways of extensions. Already have one video in my library how to extend like silk sweater which is shrink too much because you did not wash it properly because it's silk, and I already have that video ready, just need to upload it. I have like 20 to 30 videos in my library all the time, which is I can pull out and dye on and upload it for those days when I don't feel good and I cannot make new ones. No, well, that's why whenever I'm telling you, sometimes you expect that to come on the channel right away, and it's don't, because I'm gonna keep uploading old videos. But trust me, if you're my subscriber, you already trusted me, and you know, whenever I'm telling you, sooner or later it will come. And well, this one already, fancy stuff like that, pure cotton, and sorry, pure cotton, we're gonna leave it for later. We're gonna start from dyeing simple stuff, because on this particular cotton blouse I want to make like a beach look picture on it with my dyes. No, well, that's gonna be like after we experienced with everything else. No, well, it's not gonna happen too fast, but probably like before Christmas time it will come up, something will come up. And what else is coming? All kind of stuff, as you can see behind me, all kind of colors over there, and we're gonna do different dyes, natural and synthetic as well. And I'm not giving up also. Whenever I'm show to you that it's not only one will be on the channel, I'm not giving up on style suggestions short videos, tailor secrets short videos. One of those always on channel every single week, like until 1 minute. Most of time it's under 3 minutes or under 5 minutes for sure. And fancy time coming in our life, holidays coming. No, well, that's why I'm gonna start doing like a fancy, how to do as most fancy job as possible. I will show to you on a sample of my just a headscarf or a neck scarf. I'm gonna show to you on sample of this one already prepared. But well, you can do the same hem what I will show to you here on the fancy dresses as well. And well, I don't know, but most of people, maybe it's really hard. It's really hard. I have to make another video about we're living through such a hard time. All this Afghanistan, thanks God it's over. I'm just absolutely praise Lord for what it's over, that our kids will not die that day anymore. But it's a hard time. It's a hard time to fit in with all this. This is like everyday life, everyday things, and we just got so worn out with this political situation, political scandals going on. What we feel like we are too stressed out, we are too involved. Some people just living life like you know, like election campaign. You know, and it's just scandals, also scandals keep going on, and here I am with just simple stuff, with worry about how you look like and all that. And well, this is a part of our life. We have to keep doing it. I'm starting another channel. It's how to live sustainable, not a channel. I'm starting another playlist on this channel, which is already have a few videos to upload there. I will do probably today later on. Living how to live sustainable life. A little sewing for your household to make it much more easy, much more pleasurable. Recycle. I will pull out and show to you in that one playlist how to do that. And you know, it's fall time here. No, well, we're gonna start doing our jackets, sweaters, recuts on the sweatpants, on the jammies again, and all that. And here is one of those pieces, which is, remember I told you how to make a vest out of jacket. And it's again, I don't intend to show to you just one thing on one piece, such as how to make vest out of jacket. I already started doing it, but I want to show to you how to make it look special after you make vest out of jacket, how to add designer pieces like control fridge, some belt loops on it, some maybe Chanel technique pieces on it. I did not decide about Chanel yet, but control fridge and some add belt loops to design something nice around it. I will do it definitely. I already make my mind about it. Well, that's what's coming. Okay, I don't want to make that video too long, and of course those little things to help you, like I just placed video about how to, for those who don't have sewing machines, hand stitching, how you can fix a lot of stuff in your household just doing by hands. And let me put in the end, because it's very important, let me put in the end of this video another video about hand stitching. Hand stitching, what you can learn better. I'm putting that hand stitching video practically in every one what I am making, because I want to make sure, to make point what I'm working for beginners. I want you to learn what I know, and you know, very little. I want to show to you how easy it is, and plus I started another already whole playlist about crochet, and well, it's all. I believe before this video will come up, you will have already a playlist with crochet. And well, whenever we do again, we don't do just for a heck of it. We're gonna make. I will show you how to crochet, and don't just crochet for the sake of crochet. To make some little present, because gifts come. The holiday time is coming. Gifts is coming. You do need those little presents. No, well, and this is the best way to do it. It's a DIY present. You put love in it. You don't spend too much time on it, not much money, but it's going to be a very special present. Well, that's what we're going to concentrate. Our gift, we have already a playlist with practical gifts. We're going to start working on more and more of that. Okay, guys, thank you for your time. I'm sure, oh yeah, custom made is also coming. Do not worry about it. I promised you already that custom made is coming. It's coming. I just need to upload it one more video. What else you need for custom made besides fabric? Have already that video ready. You know, well, that one will be, and after that we will do little bit by little bit whenever I promised to you. Thank you, God, for your time. Thank you for your time, guys.